Even Russia's most modern tank, the T-90M, is very vulnerable to aerial threats, as a drone-dropping grenade can fairly easily take out a $5 million tank. Shown in this video, where all it takes is 3 hits and even the first 2 possibly doing the job, even creating smoke rings on the second and third hit. Damaging sensor, explosive reactive armor and the roof armor itself, with a definite penetration inside causing a fire to get started on the third strike. Destroying equipment inside, rendering the tank useless. Taking out another of Russia's limited and most modern T-90M tank, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.